Hello and welcome to tonight's weather forecast. We had rains over most places in the middle part of the country yesterday. Some fairly huge amounts of rainfall were recorded over places in the middle part of the country. 44.1 millimeters over Kufori Diabetes. We had about 36.8 millimeters. Over Sunyani too, we had about 28.4 and 26.7 millimeters over Akusi. Asamankesi and State Bekwai also had some substantial amounts of rainfall during the night. Tonight, however, we are expecting partly cloudy conditions dominating most parts of the country. Some areas in southern Ghana will be experiencing rains, but the magnitude, however, will be lesser than we had in the night yesterday. Temperatures will drop to around 25 degrees Celsius along the coast, Accra, Tema, Adan, Accra, the Aximen areas around. For the middle parts of the country, temperatures will drop to around 23 over Kumasi, 24 around Ho, and about 25 degrees Celsius for areas in the transition and the northern parts of the country, expecting temperatures to go up to around 27 degrees Celsius. So quite a warm night over the northern parts of the country. Later in the night, we're expecting some thunderstorms and lightning flashes over places in the upper regions and a few places in the northeast regions. By tomorrow morning, partly cloudy conditions will dominate the northern half of the country. But for southern Ghana, we're expecting misty and foggy conditions, reducing visibility during the early hours. Drive carefully if you are using our routes during these hours. These conditions will clear, ushering us into a sunny afternoon across the sectors of the country. Temperatures will go up to around 32 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius over southern Ghana from the coast to the middle parts of the country. But for the northern parts, a warm afternoon is anticipated, about 37 degrees Celsius around Yendi and Bali to about 40 degrees Celsius around Bogatanga, Navrongo and areas closer. We are expecting some late afternoon thunderstorms and rains over parts of the middle and the northern portions of the country. Do make a date with us tomorrow for more updates.